Are you tired of paying for multiple streaming subscriptions just to get limited content? What if I told you that you could download a single application on your Amazon Fire Stick in just a few minutes that gives you all of your entertainment completely for free? Today, I am going to show you an app store that gives you access to all the networks, movies, and live sports without being overcharged. Let us jump right into how easy this process really is. First, turn on your Amazon Fire Stick and navigate to the search icon. Type out the word downloader on the keypad. Select the bright orange downloader application from the list and hit install. Once the application finishes downloading, do not open it just yet. Press the home button on your remote control because we need to change a few technical settings first. To allow third-party installations, navigate over to your device settings menu and select My Fire TV. If you do not see developer options on the screen, click on About and highlight your Fire Stick device name. Click the center button on your remote exactly 7 times until a pop-up appears saying, "Congratulations, you are now a developer." Hit the back button, open developer options, and switch ADB debugging to on. Next, click on Install Unknown Apps, highlight Downloader, and toggle it to on. Now, return to your home screen and launch the Downloader app. Use your remote control to click into the white URL box at the top of the screen. Type in the official web address for the Unlink app tool. Click Next, scroll down the web page, and select the download box. Once the file downloads, click Install, then select Done. Make sure to choose Delete to remove the leftover installation file and keep your storage space clean. Go back to your device settings, enter developer options once more, and turn the Unknown Apps permission on for the new Unlink app. Launch the Unlink app from the end of your apps list and click to add a new library. It will ask you for an access code. Today, I am sharing exclusive access to my personal digital vault. Enter my custom store code to instantly unlock over 50 free entertainment applications. Click Next and skip the welcome message to enter the library dashboard. Before you download or run any of these applications, you must secure your streaming setup. I highly recommend using NordVPN to run any app smoothly on your hardware. Turning on a premium VPN is essential to bypass internet provider blocks, stop data throttling, and keep your streaming completely anonymous. I have placed the official installation link for NordVPN in the description and top comments below so you can get protected right now. Once your connection is secured, you can browse my store by category. First, download the top utility application on the list to serve as your backup configuration tool. Next, grab the first featured entertainment app, which is loaded with sports, movies, and live television. Then, download Max TV for an incredible lineup of local and live television networks. Finally, grab Netflix for a massive library of movies and on-demand shows. Just click Join Now when the app opens to skip the sign-up prompt. Return to your home screen and scroll to the end of your apps row to find your new platforms. Open your Network Shield application first and click Connect. Once the connection status lights up in green, press the Home button. Your premium security will continue to run silently in the background. You can now open any of your new streaming apps to enjoy free movies, news, and live sports worry-free. That concludes today's setup guide for TechVibes. If this video helped you cancel your overpriced subscriptions, please drop a like down below to help the algorithm. Leave a comment letting me know which of the 50 apps is your absolute favorite. Smash that subscribe button right now to stay updated on what apps are working perfectly, and I will see you all in the next video.